has been a day to die on. Now the day is almost done. Up above, a quiet seabird turns to face the setting sun. Now the evening dove is calling, all the hills are burning red, and before the night comes falling, clouds are lined with golden thread. We watch the fires together, share our quarters for a while, walk the dusty roads together, came so many miles. This has been a day to die for. Now the day is almost done. Hear the pipes lay beside me, silent with the bottle charm. If friends in time be sad, sad that we will meet again. I return to leave you never be a paper to the end.